How to make elements and text appear on click on Canva Presentations. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the ability to have the clicks or one click set up on a presentation that will show an effect or an animation to a text or an element. Do not worry about it. It is going to be very simple because Canva will take everything in mind right there, because it is going to have everything set up into the presentation. You only need to add an animation to the text or the element and it is going to work up. Now we're going to head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. We're going to head over one of the specific presentations that we have. I'm going to type in presentation. So basically I'm going to head over the templates and we're going to explore the presentations. So I'm going to select one of the presentations. I'm going to select it. Once we have been here, we are going to find that any presentation will have elements such as images, text, like that, whatever. So for example, I'm going to head over here. We're going to select this text. We're going to start with this text, for example, and we're going to click on animate. The animation is going to be, for example, like that. I'm going to select the typewriter. If I click on present, we're going to see the presentation as it is. For example, we're going to have this as a presentation. We can go ahead and head over not the effect but the animation. So we're going to have it, for example, on exit. We're going to set up, for example, this one. I'm going to have the merge on exit, on enter, or on exit. I'm going to have it as an animation. Click on present. Normally it is going to be like that. So the animation haven't appeared yet, but if I click on the next, as you can see, it is going to be appearing within the specific, as you can see, entrance. I'm going to change it to on enter. We're going to present, and it is going to be on the animation. So basically I can go ahead and I'm going to choose the text. For example, I'm going to stay with the text, fade. These are going to be the suggested one, but add on effect. So basically let's head over the pen. I'm going to have it on enter, click on present. You're going to have it just like that with the click of the button. So you can see that it is going to be, the animation is going to be set up just like that. And here you go. Now also for the elements, you can go ahead and have, for example, this one, set up one of the reveals. Like this. We're going to click on present. And we're going to have it, when you click, it is going to be something like that. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.